This is how you can add your affiliate links on Pinterest idea panes. Let's see how. So these are the Amazon affiliate links of one of my clients, and I'm going to simply copy and paste it on Pinterest. Now go to Pinterest app and hit that plus icon and click on idea pins and choose any video or photo of your choice. I'm gonna choose one of them and hit product and hit use a link, and then paste the same affiliate links over here, and it gonna show up all of the products that has been listed. And since it was a book, and I'm gonna click one of the poster of this one, and it will be just like an sticker. You can just place wherever you like and wherever it suits. And now I'm gonna add just a arrow so that people would know where to click. So you can also add text or more stickers, and this is how it's gonna look like. And from whenever or wherever people are going to buy from that link, you will get a certain percentage of commission, and that's how you are going to earn from Pinterest. I hope this was helpful. Have a good day.